Hello Virgo, how are you? Welcome to my channel Star and welcome to your reading. So Virgo, this is your reading for this is a timeless reading and this is a general reading. Take what resonates and leave what doesn't. This reading is more focused on the love life, especially this is about no contact, no communication, breakup, separation reading. Okay. And doesn't matter when you guys got separated or when the breakup happened. It might have happened in the recent past or it might have happened a couple of months ago, weeks ago, years ago. It doesn't matter. Okay. If you're interested in knowing what this person thinks and feels about you, what are their intentions when it comes to you, and if they are taking any action towards you, what is that action they would want to take towards you, right? That's what we'll see in this reading. So let's get started. Virgo, let's see what you need to know. Hit like, share and subscribe and comment down below, Virgo. Okay, let's see what you need to know. Let's see what you need to know, Virgo. Let's see what you need to know, Virgo. Let's see what you need to know. What your person is thinking and feeling about you, an action they will take towards you, and likely conclusion between both of you. Okay, so some cards have fallen already, they have jumped out. We have Four of Pentacles. Okay, Eight of Wands, the Ace of Pentacles, and we have Temperance, the Death and Rebirth, Five of Pentacles, then we have the Moon. You might be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Aries. If the sign pops up, all the better. Let's not remain fixed on the same. Okay. I think so. This person did take a lot of time. Okay. I think so. It's been long. You guys are in no contact, no communication. Maybe there was a very small time contact communication between you and this person. But then again, something happened and this connection broke down all over again. Either this person put you in a third party situation. However, for many of you, I do feel like this person is going through something. Okay, there is some sort of a problem that they are experiencing, very likely domestically or even career wise. This person is experiencing some financial struggles, or probably their equation, their dynamic with the family members have changed a lot. Their family members are not treating this person nicely, or something has happened, or maybe this person did something in the past because of which the family got into the problem, or some legal issues happened, and etc etc. And uh, this person is dealing with some sort of a problem. Okay, some sort of a problem, or probably this person was framed for something, and they were actually pretty innocent, but this person got framed into something, and this person is fighting off that battle, and this person is missing you a lot. Now this person is realizing that when this person was nothing, even when this person was struggling back then, you were like a big support for this person, Virgo. Okay, you supported, you encouraged, you motivated this person even when this person was nothing. They probably were struggling at that point of time as well. But now that you have left, and probably this person had started experiencing a better life, better opportunities were coming towards this person, and then this person did not even give you the credit for what you did. You were like a strong support, a strong pillar in this person's life, but they failed to give you the credit. And not only did they not give you the credit, but probably this person started mistreating you, or they did something because of which you got hurt big time, and then you decided to walk away from this person's life. Okay, and now that you have walked away, you have withdrawn your energy from this person's life. This person is going through a lot of karmic punishments. Maybe in the past this person was going through a bit of struggle in their life, but now the struggles have increased. Okay, now their struggles have increased a lot, and they are realizing this. It was your energy that was protecting this person from a lot of struggles. It was your energy that was protecting this person from a lot of things. But now that you have gone, now that you have walked away, this person is required to face the struggles and whatever is happening in their life, and the wrong treatment that is coming towards them from their very own people or from the friends and family and workplace. Maybe this person also got into certain fights at workplace, is what I'm getting. This person is disturbed. Okay, your absence is making this person so disturbed. They did not realize that it was your energy that was making this person feel good in their life. It was your energy that was, even though this person was going through struggles at that point of time, they did not feel like they are struggling because of your energy, because of your love, because of your comfort. Okay, you brought a lot of stability into this person's life, and now they are realizing that because your energy is gone, because you have withdrawn your energy, this person is struggling, and this person is, like, facing a lot of difficulties, and a lot of things are coming to an end in this person's life. And maybe for some of you, I'm also hearing that this person is facing some sort of allegations. This person might be innocent, but again, I'm hearing this again and again. This is an intuitive download, like someone is trying to frame this person. Someone is, like, this, because of the fact that this person is struggling a lot, someone is trying to put this person under more struggles, under trying to frame, because they are in a weak spot in their life at the moment. And maybe because they are in a weak spot in their life, this other person thought that they won't be able to defend themselves, and etc etc. But this person is going through the struggles, I think so. This person, they do want to rush towards you. They do want to let you know that, you know what, they are realizing your importance now. Okay, they do want to rush towards you. This person wants to rush towards you, and there are a lot of things that this person wants to confess, Virgo. And it's not just that they want your energy back, or they want you, they want less struggles, and they want any kind of help from you. That's why they're coming back. Maybe that might be the reason, but because they are realizing your importance, and because of the fact that they are understanding that they have been so stupid all along. Okay, they have realized that you were a divinely sent person. Okay, the divine had sent you in their life, and they played with divine's intentions. By playing with you, by mistreating you, they actually ended up mistreating divine. Okay, so they really want to rectify the situation. They want to love you, they want to give you the right kind of a treatment. Somewhere this person had always nurtured a 10 of cups situation. They wanted everything with you. But this person was also, probably this person was pretty flaky in the past. Okay, and also, they used to hop from one person to another person. Maybe this person was a player in the past, but now they are changing, because they are realizing, like, karma will be a bitch to them till the time they do not come towards you in the right manner, and they are planning to come towards you. Okay, they are coming towards you with a lot of confessions, trust me. There is so much that this person wants to talk to you, so much. Deeply hurt you, not only broke my trust but also me. Maybe, probably this is something you want to say to this person, Virgo, that you hurt me. Wish my day starts with your smile, be mine only. This person wants you in their life. Fascination, your cute smile attracts me towards you. There is something about smile, we got the message twice. I think so this person loves your smile. Okay, we have vibration. There is something that connects us all the time. There is something that connects us all the time. There is something that connects us all the time. Isolation, leave me alone, I'm not interested. Probably this is what you want to say to this person. One last message. Loyalty, don't try to be perfect, just be true. This is what you want from this person. You want this person to be loyal. Okay, I hope this resonates, and hit like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below. Then take care, have a great time, and bye bye. This is your spread. Okay, take care, have a great time, and bye, Virgo.